Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 501, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, I will need to put on the cover first. Okay, so to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for you, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash along with a pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment it will disappear. Once it disappears, you can find the captured screenshot in your gallery application. So by default you will be located in the Photos tab, which you should be able to see the screenshot. It also shows you albums at the top apparently. So screenshots will be the album that you're looking for to find screenshots, surprisingly. But you can also navigate into the folders, and in here you'll also find that album. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.